Okay, my name is Grace Souma, the Deputy County Commissioner Kisii South. So tulipata intelligence that kulikuwa na government fertilizer, the subsidy that is being repackaged in this area. It was out of intelligence. So we have come and confirmed. We got empty bags of GOK bags, gunny bags. So we have also confirmed that the repackaged fertilizer is being decolored using oil. So it looks black. From the cereals, it's cream or white, but here what we find will be black. So it is that way because the market believes that fertilizer market is more stronger than the one that comes from the cereal. So they bring it and repackage it and decolor it so that it meets the market demands. We have 2 people that we have arrested here. We are taking them for police custody to be arraigned in court tomorrow with the evidence. When we came here, we found when they were burning the GOK gunny bags. But we managed to get a few that were empty, and at least it serves as our evidence. So at least we have arrested 2 people. The person who we suspected was burning out there, and then the person who he confirmed that he is the owner. So we are yet to confirm. And from the little questioning, he said nearly ya kujitafutia that he's doing this. We already checked and seen. Everything is under investigation because we are yet to confirm how has he managed to get this, from where, how, and where is this shamba that needs over 54, 30, 40 bags of fertilizer. So everything is under investigation. We may not say much, so we may have a full report when investigation is done. Wenye wamehusika kwa hii jambo lote, si wote watafikishwa kotini, na labda kutoka kwao tutapata habari kamili. Ni vipi hii ni racket? Is it a racket? Is it a conduit? Is it a cartel? So hiyo yote tumeachia DCI. They will give us a report. So what we have got preliminarily, we have confirmed that there was repackaging ya fertilizer kulikuwa, and we have confirmed the place looked like it was a workshop. Yeah, there is evidence of oil everywhere, and we have also got part of the fertilizer out there that is black. So we want to assume whatever is in the gunny bag is also black,